Hello guys, join with me. Don't try Johnny.
Johnny, you sissy.
Jimmy, please say you wait for me. I'll grow up someday, you'll see. Saving all my kisses just for you. Sign with love forever true.
Jenny was the girl who lived next door. I've known her, I guess, 2 years or more. Johnny wrote me a note one day, and this is what she wanted to say.
Jimmy, please say you wait for me. I'll grow up someday, you'll see. Saving all my kisses just for you. Sign with love forever true.
Slowly I read her note once more. Then I went over to the house next door. Her curtains feel like rain that day. When I told Johnny what I had to say. Johnny, Johnny, please don't cry. You'll forget me by and by. You're just 18 and I'm 22. Johnny, I just can't wait for you. Soon I'll leave our little hometown. Get me job and try to settle down. But her words keep haunting my memory. The words that Johnny said to me.
Jimmy, please say you wait for me. I'll grow up someday, you'll see. Saving all my kisses just for you. Sign with love forever true.
Pack my clothes and I caught a plane. I had to see Johnny, I had to explain how my heart was filled with her memory, and asked my Johnny if she'd marry me. I ran all the way to the house next door, but things weren't like they were before. My teardrops feel like rain that day when I heard what Johnny had to say.
Jimmy, Jimmy, please don't cry. You forget me by and by. I've been 5 years since gone by. Jimmy, I married your best friend, Jan. Thank you so much and God bless. Keep safe everybody. Sarang hair.